some more ruels. I'm gonna try to do different ruels. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna head downtown and do a walking video, but on the way there, we're gonna check out some more ruels. This is very colorful, so a lot of art, graffiti, whatever you want to call it. We're parallel to the main Saint Laurent, and we're going downtown direction. Check it out, see how far we can go, and just look for ruels. Oh, wait a second. Oh, there's Bob Marley up there. There's some cock being the French word for chicken. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, enough with shorts. We're doing pigeons, Bob Marley. Oh, this guy here, this Taylor, 1980, 45 years, little Italian guy. Wow. If you need something done, pants hemmed, that's where you want to be. What do we got here? Hi. Always got something colorful to look at. Alright, so the mural festival starts soon. And the action kicks in. So look at this, very colorful, behind the business. So anyway, that Taylor, Cordonerie Marie or whatever, right across from the Farmer Pricks on the main on Saint Laurent. Guy does incredible work, charges next to nothing. Humble little Italian guy. When he's gone, that's it. That generation's done. 45 years he's been working there. He didn't get wiped out over COVID. Yeah, wow. Yeah, so I've had, being a short guy, I often have to get pants hemmed. A real pain in the ass. But he does a great job. Old world. Where were you in 1980? He was right there hemming pants. Okay, we're not on a ruelle. I'm looking for one. Okay. It's, maybe I'll find one. I'm not used to this area. Okay, that guy's going. I'm going. Thanks. Big city. Sirens. Whoa. I think we got another one. Right across. Oh, scary. Let's do it. On our way downtown. Interesting. Not quite as plateau-y as my area, but back alley nonetheless. Boy, I wonder what percentage of spray paint is used for non-graffiti purposes. You might as well just market it for graffiti. Are you a young punk who likes to defile your neighborhood? Well, if you are, use Acme graffiti paint. Handy, portable sizes. I think I'm onto something. That's my idea. Alright, another ruelle, Prince Arthur. One of my favorite princes. Although it can't hold a candle to Prince Rupert. Well, I don't know where we're going here. Where's Prince Rupert? Is that Alberta somewhere? Okay, so you never know where to find him. Okay, that is some sort of, I don't know what that is. Can't even make fun of it. All right, looking for a ruelle, going downtown. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, looking for a ruelle. Boy, I'm gonna go backtrack a bit. I don't know who that is there. Kind of looks like Chris Martin from Coldplay, but you know it's not. Maybe it is. Sorry is not enough. Denial. Okay? So these people come and paint murals, and then the taggers come and tag over them. No professional courtesy. What's up with that? You'd think they would leave them alone. No. Wow. Look at all the street murals. Okay, we're looking for a ruelle. Could there be more construction? I'm being sarcastic. Okay, let's go down. Solve our ruelles, not on a ruelle or in a ruelle. GoPro, stop recording. This isn't really a ruelle, but it is, but it's not what I'm looking for. I'm just trying to get downtown. Ruelles are more of a plateau thing. But I'm gonna keep looking. Wow, I did not know that building was there. Got lost looking for ruelles. Oh. GoPro, stop recording. Alright. There's the tree that fell down. And I saw a ruelle, so we're going to check it out. We're going to turn right here. I don't know if I've ever been down this one. Maybe. Skipping rope, huh? See? I'm Skippy. Another ruelle. Skipping in a ruelle. Why not? You never know. Yeah, I don't think I've been down this one. Whatever. Oh wait, what? Another ruelle. Got the camera on you. Here to see if we can get up this one. We're going to Rochelle. We're going to go home, shower, and hopefully tight squeeze. Tight squeeze. I gotta get my gears looked at. All right. Are we here? My favorite street.
Vas-y, regarde, tu as les 5 ça va aller plus vite.
Okay, I know we're not in a ruelle. We have to turn off the camera, but a little bonus footage. Won't I? Oh, fuck. Look at us, fucking bus. Rat race. What time is it? See? Extra. Supercalifragilistic. Espialidosis. What the hell does that even